In today's video, I will show you how to earn free PayPal money by just watching videos. Yes, you heard that right, earn your sweet bucks by simply watching videos. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online in the year 2021. With this method, all you basically need is your laptop or computer and an internet connection. You can even do this with just your mobile phone. The best thing about this method is it's 100% free, so you don't need to make any investments to get started. This is available worldwide as well. So no matter which country you're coming from, you can do this and earn money consistently. Hello there, welcome to Socio Media channel. We upload daily new ways to make money online. We are almost up to 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please, be a part of our channel, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified in the next upcoming videos. So make sure you stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's go on to YouTube right now and search for a plank tutorial. You can see that there are many different results and these types of videos have thousands of views. Now let's utilize these videos so that we can earn money. In today's method, the next thing that you're going to do is to go to google.com and type in AD Focus. Then press the search button. There are many results that you can see right here, but I want you to click on the first link. This is the homepage of the website, and in this website, you can basically shorten links, share, and earn here. You can shorten your URL links and show them on the internet and earn a lot of money. So let's give this a try. Let's use this video right here as an example. Now scroll down below and you will find this share button right here. Now I want you to click on this share button so you can see a YouTube link where you can share them on the internet. Now every time someone clicks on this link, they will be redirected to this exact video. Now once you copy this link, I want you to go back to Add Focus and then paste your link right here to make it shorter. This website basically makes a longer URL into a shorter one. Once a person clicks on the link, you are going to earn a lot of money. So now, if you have people from the United States to click on your link, you get to earn over $20, and if you have people from the United Kingdom click on your link, you get to earn over $10. Now this is a very good opportunity to earn money online, just by sharing a simple link on the internet. Now right now, I will show you how to sign up for your free account. Now you can just go ahead and click on this sign up button. Then this window will pop up, where it says, Join Add Focus. All you have to do is type in the information needed, like email and password, then just click on this, I am not a robot box, and check the terms and conditions and privacy policy box. Then click on the Join Now button. Once you log in into your account, you can see this message right here, says you have incomplete account information, please update your account information in order to get paid. It is important to update your account so that you can get paid and earn your sweet bucks. Now when you cash out your earnings, just click on this account settings link, and then you will land on this page that says account information. Now, this is where you can update the information that is needed. Just type in your name, address, city, state, zip code, and country. As you can see here, they are available worldwide. Now you can proceed and complete the information needed. When you're done, just click on update information. This website pays out using PayPal, so that it's very convenient and easy for you. When you update your information, you can scroll down below on the automatic withdrawal section. You can read it here, that you can enable this option to automatically request a payment. It is very important for you to enable this option. So after you click on enable, click this update setting. So now, I will show you the payout rates by country. You can see that, when people from the United States click on your link, you're going to earn over $20. And when people from other places, like this country, click on your link, you're going to earn over $1. As you can see right here, that's a $19 difference, and it's really big. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end, because I will show you how to go beyond this limitation. Alright, now you can see here, there are a lot of viral videos for doing planking. For example, this video right here. Now let's scroll down below and click on this share button, and then this window will pop up, click on this copy button. Now let's go back to Add Focus and paste the link in this box. Once you paste the link, I want you to click on this shrink button. This website will automatically shorten the link that you paste in it. Now, I want you to repeat this method 5 times. And by the way, if you enjoyed the video so far, give this video a thumbs up below, and please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Alright, the next thing that you're going to do is go to this website called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a very famous website because a lot of people come on here to learn how to lose weight and get fit. When you scroll down below, you can see here many posts about exercises and how to stay healthy. A lot of people are putting up some posts on this website. You can see here the views of each post. And a lot of people are viewing these posts. Now for example, many of these have over 10 to 15,000 views. The first thing that I want you to do when you go onto this website is to click on this button. You can see here that you can actually select different countries. Now I want you to click on United States, because when people from the United States click on your link, you're going to earn over $20. Now for example, this post right here, you can click on that so that you know what the hot topics are. You can see here that in this post, the people are leaving links which leads to that video. This is a very good method to get traffic and to get many people around the world to click on your link. Now I want to share with you a ready to post template so that you can get an idea of what posts to use on these forums. So here's the post template. You can pause the video or take a screenshot now. As you can see here, first I give out information about planking. You can search on Google for that. And now when you scroll down below, you can see here that I put up the links that lead to planking tutorial videos. I recommend you that you put up 5 or more videos so that you can earn more money. When people clicks on your link, clicks will generate you a lot of money in much lesser time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. And again, if you want my #1 recommendation to make money online, be sure to check out the videos that are on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.